the most about farming is being able to work with my husband and to see our crops growing outside our door. We put in all the work and we get to reap all the rewards.
In 2012, well, the entire year it really didn't rain very much, so it was very dry and we went through a drought. And the yields were just not there. They didn't have the opportunity to be there.
We had a disaster, and our corn was around 60 bushel an acre. We had some fields better, some fields a lot worse, but we had almost a complete loss.
And so knowing that we had insurance on it, to know that there was at least a minimum there, that we weren't going to have a zero.
But because of crop insurance, it turned out to be a good year. We came out very well. That was one of the best years Dad had because of crop insurance, and if he didn't have it, it would have been the worst year.
I wish that if I worried enough, it would make it better, but it doesn't.
Our goal is to help farm families succeed, and we're going to do absolutely everything we can to do that. Mother Nature is always unpredictable. You don't know what hand you're going to be dealt each year. Crop insurance is there to help smooth that out as much as possible.
We need crop insurance to protect us in case life throws us a hiccup. I know it's tempting to not take out crop insurance if you haven't had losses several years in a row, but it's a part of that risk management protection plan that allows you to have a baseline and to take action and make action during the growing season knowing that you're protected. Crop insurance works hand in hand with lending because it allows your lender to know that you have that baseline protection.
Crop insurance is really the only thing you can count on when it comes to farming. We have a risky business, and I think without crop insurance there'd be a lot of bankers who wouldn't want to back a farmer.
Our goal is never to get the highest premium. Our goal is to help that member identify the risk they want to manage it as cost effectively as they can.
Farm Credit works with me. My agent comes out to the farm, sees how we work. I rely on him to come to me with the best program.
When we're looking at getting the right coverage for a particular insured, we look at their overall operation. Every farmer has a different set of circumstances.
The fact that we're a cooperative and owned by our members is a true blessing because we're not here to maximize our revenue, we're here to maximize our members' revenue.
It's one of the biggest reliefs. It's something my husband says to me every time I'm looking out my window hoping my plants don't blow over. He's like, that's why we take out crop insurance, and then we can go to bed and we don't have to worry about it anymore.
We do two things, and we do them very, very well. We make loans to the agricultural industry, in particular farmers and landowners, and we sell crop insurance. At the end of the day, that's what we're after. We want to make sure that as many of our members are carrying crop insurance with us as possible, but we want to make sure that they understand what they have on that side of the business, and they're mitigating as much risk as possible through the use of those policies.